Good morning, guys. It is super early, 5 something. I've got at least a 4-hour drive to get down to Boynton Beach, just north of Miami. And going to be doing a radio show this morning for Kiss My Ash Radio, and then we're going out to lunch with the guys, and then right after that, a CO Live. I'm gonna flip it and have them on my show. So it'll be another on location CO Live. Usually they go okay. There's always some gotchas. I've got every bit of gear that I could find. I did find my good mic that I like to bring with me, and that's all charged up. Got extra cables. I got extra everything just in case. And if need be, I can use Wi-Fi. They said they have plug-in Ethernet though, so got a long 100-foot cable. Who knows what I'll need. And should be definitely a cool day, but a long day. And normally I would be taking my bike, but I am just too tired. I did get some decent sleep though. I crashed at like 5:30 yesterday afternoon because I didn't sleep the day before. And woke up at 11 something for the dog, got a snack, and did some computer work till about 3, and then crashed again, and then got up at 5 and got in the shower. So definitely gonna be a long day, but just fine. I'm going to get some coffee. It's on the way, and we'll get over near Miami. I'm just out of my routine, man. Besides being tired and not having caffeine, I'm a creature of habit. I like schedules, and having the house in chaos is one thing, but doing this early morning run and a remote show, and try not to forget stuff. I was out in the car 3 times. Forgot my wallet, forgot my car keys, and I forgot my laptop. I had everything but the freaking laptop. And that kind of important. Got a foggy morning. Just pre-dawn here in mid-Florida, skirting the top of the Everglades, stopping for gas. Check this ride out.
That is sweet.
I have arrived. That wasn't too bad. Good thing about traveling this time of the morning, no traffic all the way here.
So they're setting up the set here for the show. Starts in about a half an hour. Got a cool background here in front of the main window for a natural backlight. They also broadcast live to Facebook during the show with multiple camera angles here. And lucky enough to not be a one-man band, so they can have a mixer and a person controlling all the different shots. So it's a pretty cool joint. Got a nice bar. The humidor is not open yet. I'll take you guys through when you actually open it up, turn on the lights, all that kind of good stuff. More arrivals. Got some cool KMA swag. Nice shirt and hat. Lights are on. Let's take a look through. Nope, not yet. Take 2. Go ahead. All right. Nice selection. Tons of boxes up top for days. I like it when they actually keep the stock in the same humidor rather than some back room. That way the conditions are good. A lot of shops around Tampa do it the other way. Of course, a lot of shops in Tampa don't have these huge 12-foot ceilings. Very nice. Good layouts. Wow, that is a steep shelf. That's specifically why I got the humidor I did, because you're limited to just putting boxes out. You can't do anything with singles with that kind of angle there, Yeah, that's huge. Good looking stuff. I'm gonna need one here pretty quick. I would like some coffee. Oh man, it smells so good in here. I hope my office smells like this pretty soon. I didn't even think about that, but it might. Put a few thousand cigars in a room like this. I know the cooladors smell really good when you open them, but it's been a long time since I've had any kind of wood humidors in working order. Sweet. Oh, baby. Found the mother lode. A Millennium humidor. Hopefully it's filled. Well, we're having some technical difficulties trying to establish a connection to the broadcast station. Hopefully it doesn't have anything to do with the Windows update. I had that happen to me. Right before I did a show, I had an update go through, and it just completely screwed the broadcasting software.
I was thinking about it.
Okay, we finally have connection. Only 10 minutes later so far, so been there, done that. Should be on the air pretty soon. What? Oh no, I'm doing video. So far so good, we're on a break. Alright, so we're going in the famed vintage room.
Actually, just so you know, turn around and see.
Oh, it really is called vintage room.
Not everybody's allowed to come in this room. They have to be trained.
Oh.
So yeah, only a guy who's passed and knows the stuff in the room are allowed to take customers in the room.
No joke.
After you.
Thank you. Beautiful. Oh, I love the floor.
Thank you.
That is awesome. All right, so what do we got
Let me
here?
get behind you. Get the camera, you know.
There's actually more in here than I thought. I was looking at this window from the outside, and it looks like a mirror, and I thought it was just like a display window or something.
It's tough to keep it filled, and it is. I mean, especially where everybody kind of wants some of the older stuff. You know, I mean, these are actually the original release 150s from 1995 up on this shelf here. These are the original party case. All of them are dated. They have little placards. I'm gonna move this one and put it back up.
You got stuff from.
This is an original Avo LE07. You know.
Those are actually really good.
Yeah.
I don't know what they taste like now, but they were good.
You know, there's some really old stuff. This is actually made in France.
Huh.
With French tobacco. Yeah, they tried to come here in the U.S., but it's really rare, and I don't think they made it. I think we're probably one of the first people to bring it in.
Just aging these randomly?
This is left over from our actual batch of SI 15s. This is all from our micro blend selections.
Gotcha.
Stuff we've had left. This is the birthday blend that we had with Orlando Padron before he passed away. He came and did a birthday cigar here. They called it the 89, but it was the birthday blend that we did. Yeah, it was his 90th birthday, and these were the SI15s, some original.
Gotcha.
This is the Redux, no, this is the original Anarchy. No, this is the Redux.
Yep.
This is the Redux that came out later. These are original Apocalypse, some Big Delicious, some Fuente Solaris. I think this is my last box of 601 Bunker Busters. Some signed boxes by Coach Mike Ditko. That cigar, I don't think they make that cigar anymore. Some autographed footballs for Ray Lewis in here. We used to have literally, this whole thing was filled with Camachos and date back to 2002, Liberties. So we had Liberties literally from 2002 on, and I think one of the older sets we have now is 2004. Is 4 gone? 4 is listed on there.
4's, I think there's one left.
Some Saka Unicorn, is that the Unicorns?
Oh, yeah, Manifestos.
Yep.
Some Saka Unicorns, some Manifestos.
If anybody's in here, grab yourself a Manifesto. It's probably the best cigar Drew Estate's ever made, no joke.
Yeah, so we got
I
some
love that thing.
kind of cool stuff. Like we had the Millenniums, like I said, we just probably sold them, the last of our Millenniums a couple years ago. Some Padron 50s, some pre-embargo Cubans up there. These are some clear Havana pre-embargos. Wow. You know, yeah. Some really old stuff. And then there's some old stuff here. A lot of their stuff was made exclusively. Like we'll commission a cigar company, say, hey, look, we want 5,000 cigars. When they're gone, they're gone. They'll make us a blend and we'll try them. And then some of these are just, like this is Zeno 100th Robustos. Remember the 100th Zeno?
Yeah.
These were actually from Davidoff. And they were the remaining left of the 100th anniversary Robustos that they made. So this is kind of a cool cabinet. We move a lot of stuff. And this is a lot of just rare old bottles up here. And look at that old bottle of Johnny Walker. That's how Johnny Walker used to get delivered to liquor stores.
Totally different.
Yeah.
So funny.
Some cool stuff here. I think there's almost every issue of Cigar Aficionado ever made in there.
It's like a public library.
Yeah, just a little tribute to the cigar industry stuff, you know?
Very cool. Well, thank you very much for the tour.
Absolutely.
And thank you. Taking a much-needed pee and caffeine break. So the inn is where I am. I came from Boynton Beach, down there. Almost ready to get off the freeway. I'm getting off on 60. Up here, taking that all the way across the state. Got here, and then up to 4, 75, and then right there's home. So, got a ways to go. It's a 4-hour one-way drive, 7 hours of work, and then got another 3 hours back home. They didn't have any diet at the rest stop, so I stopped here at the gas station. Best road trip food ever, Diet Mountain Dew and corn nuts. Oh, baby. Okay, just about home, just right around the corner. I was thinking about starting the humidor setup tonight. I need some distilled water, because that's what the humidifier system runs on, and I didn't move any with me. On second thought, I'm going to wait until tomorrow to do anything with this, because I want some daylight. I want to show all the details of the setup and go over everything with a fine-tooth comb with you guys. So I'm going to clear out that next guest room, get that mask tonight, and paint it tomorrow too. See you tomorrow, guys.